Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy index funds on Interactive Brokers. First, ensure your Interactive Brokers account is funded and ready for trading. Navigate to the Trade menu and select Order Entry. You'll need to search for the specific index fund or ETF you wish to purchase. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making a selection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Once in the order entry window, use the search bar to find your desired index fund. You can search by ticker symbol, like SBY for an S&P 500 ETF, or by the fund's name. Interactive Brokers offers robust filtering options to narrow down your choices based on asset class, geographic focus, or even the fund's issuer. Pay close attention to the expense ratio, which can significantly impact your long-term returns. After selecting your index fund, it's time to place your order. You'll need to decide on an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price you're willing to buy at. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to purchase or the total dollar amount you want to invest. Always double-check all the order details before clicking Submit to ensure accuracy. Once your order is executed, you can monitor your index fund's performance directly from your Interactive Brokers portfolio dashboard. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Periodically rebalancing your portfolio helps maintain your desired asset allocation and risk level. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.